Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have sausage, cucumber, and corn with some white rice. Now, you guys have seen us eat this before. Pepper?
Gosh, man. No grease. Go ahead. I ain't bring no grease today.
Why you put that much pepper in it now? You okay?
It's dirty, my hand.
Ush.
Go on. I shouldn't taste the food, that's why.
Usually I make it with sausage, cucumber, and rice, and then some sauce on the side. But I felt like some corn. They look so good in the store today.
Lovely.
Now, I don't have an outfit of the day for you today, but I'll have one for you tomorrow.
She got y'all. She got y'all.
I'm going to try to do it like every other day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What y'all think, family? Every other day?
Yeah. So that this way, because there's times when I come from work, guys, and I'm very tired, and I just want to eat because I'm hungry. So on those days, you know, I'll chill. But when I get off of work early, and I can give you an outfit of the day, you know I got you.
She does that.
Got you.
All right, you know. Got it on the deck. You know what it is already. Got it on deck.
Come on. He's sharing. Yes, he is.
Yes, I am sharing. Don't worry.
Sharing.
I have to. I already saw the note. What do you need?
No. This food is
No grace today, family, because that got...
Ooh, wait a minute. Let me put something...
What?
Leaking on it? No, not leak. You don't see what a brand new something now.
Oh, so what you gonna put on there?
This.
To rise it up?
Yeah, no, so that it's not moving around.
Oh, okay, got you. Makes sense.
So it stays.
Makes sense. Family, gotta put that. Alright. Alright, before I start, I'm gonna give you a lot of rice today. I'm in that type of mood today. I'm in that type of mood, and then I'm gonna give you one of the sausage. I put it right over here for y'all. It's too much on the spoon, so I can't give you so much on the spoon today. Alright, let's see how this is gonna work. I don't want that to fall, because if it fall, I'll be pissed. Hold on first. Hold on. Okay. To the rice, right. Can't see it. Go far right, I'll back up. What's up? Right there. Take a big bite. Quick. Come on, family. Before you drop. Alright. Thank you. Alright.
This is good. Oh my.
I gave you a big bite today.
Oh my.
Tom.
Sauce have pepper in it?
Hey, put too much pepper, I think, man.
I didn't put a lot. I usually put
Damn. Pepper today give me hiccup, man.
Where it come from? You put too much.
Family, the pepper had to.
Wait.
The pepper had to. She give me hiccup.
You're hungry, that's why.
No, man, I had too much time. Tell you, man. Tastes good, man. I tell you.
Then you 2 times spicy sauce?
This is different. Family.
Cucumber tastes good, man.
Come on, nice with them. Wow. You already know.
There you go.
Yeah.
Sausage. Then you add the cucumber. That's how it should be.
Cucumber, sausage, and what else? Rice. And rice as the first.
It is a little spicy. But it's good.
Yeah.
Ooh.
I was waiting all day for this.
Oh, the corn is good. The corn is in season. We got some fresh corn today.
It's fresh for real, cause it. The corn teeth them big. Not skinny.
When the corn is in season, you gotta buy it.
Family. When the first day they was preparing this food, man, I'm just saying like, well, would you hurry up?
He wasn't saying it, but his expression, my baby was hungry.
Alright. I already told you already. I don't eat when I'm at work.
He does not eat when he's at work. If he does, it's little snacks.
Yeah.
And he works 12 hours. So can you imagine?
Yeah.
When he comes home, he is green.
So you understand for me. That's why my appetite is dear like that. This is good though.
Really good.
Everything is spanking new, nice. Cucumber them nice.
This is the easiest meal you can make. Easiest.
Easy.
No fuss.
Mm-hmm.
And I have
No time.
No time. And I have a rice cooker. I'm gonna just put some rice in the rice cooker to make. Made the sauce. Put the sausage in the oven. I prefer it in the oven.
What?
The sausage. To me, it comes out juicier. It doesn't dry out.
It sure does. I don't care how it come out. It's the corn for me. Can't eat them big man.
You don't like corn like
I
that?
don't like corn like that, but it's sweet. That was just sweet because it's in season.
When it's not in season, y'all, I buy frozen. I don't care.
That's what I'm hearing.
At my store right now, it was like 10 corn for $2.
Right?
Yeah.
Oh, good. Got good, right? How much you usually be?
Like 89 cents for one corn.
Wow. They tax it now.
Yeah. That's why I buy the frozen ones.
Oh. See, family, I wouldn't know because I'm not a corn lover like that. But I eat it though. Personally, love corn.
But fresh is always best.
When we go to the fair, as we walk in, you gotta get a corn.
As you walk in, even I'm going to the swap shop. I get a corn.
As she walk in, family, you get a corn. She have to. She don't care about nothing else but that. Yeah. How your day? I know we didn't ask, cause it happens sometimes, you know. When you're eating this good food, you know. Don't you say we gonna be doing something?
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Okay.
Come on. Next week, guys.
Okay. We got something for you next week, so make sure y'all stay tuned.
Stay tuned. Let me see.
What?
How many people have tried this?
Try it. This right here, make the thing right here. Oh.
The sausage and because I didn't come up with it. It was I think it was Eat with Kim.
Yeah. Came up with it. Good job.
She didn't come up with it. It's something that they eat. That they eat in their country.
Okay.
And then I think she put the combination together. But yeah.
Sure is good.
It's very good. Very good and very simple and very inexpensive. You can feed a family of 10 with this.
Budget meal. Probably gotta bring that back.
Yeah.
$5 less.
Those series are good.
If you're new, family,
Yeah.
go check out our $5 less meals. If you want that back, let us know. We got some more meals.
You didn't hear him wrong. He said $5 or less.
Exactly. Tell them again.
And he made some good food too.
We made some good food, family. So check it out if you're new. Amen.
You remember my 15-minute paella?
Wow.
Man,
That one was hitting.
I need to bring that back. That was
real?
so good.
I'm saying? If you're new and want to get to know us more, go check out the old videos. You know what I'm saying? We got a lot.
We cook everything over here.
Everything we cook over here. Except Fast Food Friday. Everything get cooked over here.
And you guys know, I've told you before, I cook my corn with milk.
Yeah, facts.
Yeah. Milk.
They don't cook it like that? Everybody don't do that?
I don't know.
How do you do yours?
And I put a little bit of sugar.
Make it sweet.
Yeah. Make it sweeter.
Yeah. Let us know how you do yours for real. Because first they do hers different. You might want to try it your way. You know what I'm saying? We down to try. That's one thing with us. We down to try.
Another good way.
Yo, why I keep drinking my juice like that?
You know.
I'm gonna drink my juice with my name.
I like to make corn. In the oven. What you do is you soak the corn with the skin or the whatever you call it. You soak it for like 30 minutes. And you put it in the oven and then it steams the corn.
Word?
But it doesn't burn. You know what I mean? The outside of it. But the inside, when you open it, it's beautiful.
You know a lot.
Yeah. And you can even pull it back, pull the husk back, put butter, salt, close it back up, and put it in the oven. So when you open it, it's already buttery and salty.
Family, you know what I'm gonna say. I don't care how she do it, but just let me have it. Wait.
I spill myself.
Oh, spill you? I don't care what you want to do with it. Just give it to me, it's done.
I think the bigger corn. You not gonna
I don't want no more corn, man. You. I'll probably eat some more after. You know, say love corn them.
Try that one. That's one big.
See that? I'm giving her corn and she says you have to have that one. I may not know one no more corn.
You don't want more
The
corn?
family member don't eat corn?
You're full.
No, I don't. You know how to mess with the corn like that. Full?
When you hungry, you eat anything.
Yeah. But I don't know. I might get to the corn, I may not.
That's true.
I gotta get to my fork loss. You know, right here. Family. Yo. You put lemon, I think, my youth.
Or a seed.
Yeah, man. That tastes bitterness in my mouth, man.
I got a seed. Stop whining.
Damn, that one bitter.
I got a seed too. Do you see me complain?
No, that lemon
I
seed.
just-
That lemon seed is bitter.
Okay, but I ate a lemon seed. I bit a lemon seed by
Yeah.
mistake.
Don't put a lemon
I
in my
just took
food.
it out of my mouth.
Don't put a lemon in my thing.
You gotta make it be aware. Chat too much.
Family. Yeah, don't do it again. Okay? Because I didn't have a lemon seed, man, you know. See the next one, you have to take it out.
That's it.
Take that shit, son. Yeah. You wish I didn't sausage? Yeah.
You know what? Look at it.
Yeah, shut up. Shut
Look
up.
at it, family. Look at that.
Nice.
The little burnt part.
Nice.
Burnt.
It look burnt, but it's not.
It's juicy.
Juicy. What's the name of the sausage?
Hillshire.
Oh, yeah, Hillfire, whatever you want to call it. Hillfire beef. That's all.
Hillshire.
Hillshire. Same thing. That's some good sausage. Wow. I feel like I need some more ice.
Yeah?
Juice I get. Water, I don't know. No ice in it.
You saying water done?
Ice done.
Oh. So you like your juice to be nice and cold?
And you don't put too much ice in it, the cover won't close.
Oh. Makes sense. You want to get more ice? Okay.
I am back, family. I have to go get some more ice in the cup, you know what I mean? What?
Nothing, maybe.
Oh. You guys haven't chat too much about it.
Never. I never say that.
You have you want more Gatorade?
Nope.
Family, we're about to go take a nap. Real talk.
Ooh.
Here. Take it. I don't want it. I eat so much of the corn right here. See that corn? Nice. That corn, not the bio corn. That's the yellow corn, right? You know, I know them. Look, I used to bring.
That's my favorite. My favorite is the white corn.
Yeah, you know, I used to ship them out.
So.
Nice. Look at it. Come on, can't pick up mine.
Oh, you my. Oh.
Where you? Where you?
I use my hand. I think the white corn is sweeter.
What you prefer? White, yellow, or the bio corn?
Whew.
You full first lady?
Take something. The Gatorade.
Pull you up.
It's very refreshing.
Very.
This is extra sweet.
Very, very refreshing. What happened? It's sweet, right?
Yeah.
Alright.
The corn. This could fill you by yourself enough.
Corn alone?
Yeah.
That corn alone could pull you up.
It's fulfilling.
Cause that's what I'm saying. The teeth them in the corn is big. These are small, right? Yeah. Corn teeth.
This one is dangerous. Can you
I need it. I ain't give you none. Wow!
Nope.
You ain't jump today.
Nope.
Oh, you get used to it now. Took you a while.
It did take me a while.
Yeah. Alright, family.
That's okay.
Well, I got for you good people say. There is a purpose for everyone you meet. Some people come into your life to test you, some to teach you, some to use you, and some to bring out the very best in you.
So,
Right?
when
You go into a lot of people in life, you change, you not change it, but you encourage them to do better. Or if you know something that you can put them on, you put them on to it. That's first lady right here. Yes.
Oop.
Yeah, that's first lady right here. I can tell you that. She's very encouraging. And she knows a lot.
Let me tell you something.
What?
Every once in a while you come in a video and you say the nicest things.
No.
You know, so you want something to say now. You gotta get some. You don't have to work so hard.
I drop asleep on you. No, I left you up. But yeah. Family. Y'all know. Looking at first lady. What do you think she is? A very. I want to know because I want you to tell me. I want to ask the family.
They might do some.
No, they ain't gonna say nothing. They won't do that to you. They ain't gonna do that to you.
It's a brother that can chat. And she bossy.
No, she ain't gonna do that. You can tell us what type of person she is, right? Comment down if you can tell what type of person first lady is. Y'all already know, ladies. There's only ladies watching.
You put me in a spot, man.
No, they gonna know. They know the type of lady you is. You're very, very smart in the tongue.
Thank you, my love.
That's why I tell the people that you're my brain. Sometimes I can't say stuff you say for me.
Okay, I'm gonna give you some.
I'll drop asleep on you. You done, Yam?
A full.
Alright, so you want me to say my outro now? Huh? Do you want me to say my outro?
You got people sit there, I'm controlling.
Could I take some of your sausage?
Yes, honey.
Thank you so much. You like when I ask you? Oh, okay. Okay. I want the sausage. I don't want the rice. So,
yeah, eat the sausage because I don't want
family,
to be full.
We appreciate y'all. Thank you for stopping by. As always, you know, first they said you could be somewhere else, but you stopped by and watch us, you know. Appreciate that. If you're new, like, comment, subscribe, and go catch up on some of the other videos then to get to know us better. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean?
We have a lot.
We have a lot. We are the Greedy Couple. This is Shanice, aka First Lady. As we hear it first. And this is Richie, Pastor Richie. Appreciate y'all. They are First Lady.
The Greedy family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another what? Mukbang. Bye.